Jamaica
I will be
Watch
asking MOCA to do a sampling for fraud in the recovery grants. In other words, we have to check that if you got a grant, that you actually use it for the purpose you got the grant for, and that you're not defrauding the government. Taking the grant, say you're going to do something with it, and you're going to do something else. That's not fair, because somebody else who actually needed it could have gotten that grant. So I want to sound the warning clearly that if you get the grant, the portion of the grant that is directed at your roof, fix your roof. These are the kind of things that we will be checking on. Now, the way in which we are giving the grants now, it might not be so easy to do that, because the grants are restricted as to where you can spend them and what you can spend them on. But people can still find their ways, and we will be checking. We cannot be spending $10 billion. That's what we're spending, a lot of money. And we are not seeing the benefit of it in the roofs being restored. Spend it on restoring your roof.